Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDC from Bitmart to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're holding USDC on Bitmart and want to move it to your Phantom Wallet for more flexibility, this guide is perfect for you. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to double-check everything for security reasons. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified account on Bitmart, some USDC in your wallet there, and your Phantom Wallet app installed on your device with the wallet address ready. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and other blockchains, so this transfer will likely go over the Solana network. Keep that in mind for fees and speed. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and find the Wallets or Assets section. Locate your USDC balance and click on it to access withdrawal options. Step 2. Select Withdraw for USDC. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. In the address field, paste your Phantom Wallet address. Double-check that it's correct. Copying the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Also, choose the correct network. For Phantom, it's usually Solana, so select that from the dropdown. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Bitmart might have a minimum withdrawal limit, so check that first. You'll see a fee estimate. Factor that into your decision. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication steps for added security. After initiating the withdrawal, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Phantom Wallet app. Go to your wallet overview, and you should see the USDC deposited. If it doesn't show up right away, give it time and check the transaction history on a blockchain explorer. A few quick tips. Always use hardware wallets for large amounts, be aware of gas fees on Solana, and never share your private keys. If you're new to crypto, start small to avoid mistakes. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and see you next time.